Your data is ready, and you've chosen the Flourish template that best matches the story you want to tell. But now comes the hard part. What should the title say? What should you highlight? How do you turn a chart into something that actually communicates an insight? I'm going to show you how the Flourish Assistant can help using simple prompts inside Flourish. I'm starting with a core diagram from the Flourish template chooser. I've already replaced the sample data with my own dataset showing visitor flows between European countries, and I've set up my data bindings. Right now, the chart is accurate, but it doesn't really tell a story yet. My goal is to turn this into a clear, engaging visualization that immediately highlights the most important insight. And I'll do that entirely with the Flourish Assistant. When you open a visualization in Flourish, you'll find the assistant in the top left corner. Think of it as an expert guide built directly into Flourish. It understands how Flourish works, what each template can do, and how effective data storytelling is created. When I open the panel, you'll see suggested actions at the bottom. You can click any of these suggestions to get started. The assistant may occasionally ask a follow-up question, just to make sure it's headed in the right direction. Now let's try giving it my own instructions, commonly known as prompts. Let me type, add a title that tells the story most visitors go from the UK to France and Spain, and design the chart to support that story. The assistant generates the title. It also adjusts the design to reinforce that message. Notice that's highlighted the flows between the UK, France and Spain too. And because every change is transparent, I can click the highlighted settings to see exactly what was modified, and Flourish takes me directly to the relevant setting on the right. If I don't like the change, I can undo it with a single click here. I can also make changes to colour. Let's type, make the United Kingdom blue, Spain pink and France purple, whilst highlighting country names in the title using these matching colours. Now I want to change the highlighting, so it's easier to see some of the other countries' flows. So I'll type, make the highlighted chords slightly faded and the other chords slightly more visible. And lastly, I want to add some labelling. What's powerful here is that I'm not having to search through lots of settings on the right. I'm describing what I want, and the assistant is helping me execute those decisions much faster. Along the way, it also keeps suggesting additional improvements. If you'd like to try the Flourish Assistant for yourself, give it a go in your next project. And if you're looking for inspiration, example prompts, or sample datasets, check out the resources linked below.